Now we are starting lesson 2, and lesson 2 is finding area by decomposing and rearranging. Remember, that is what we did today when we worked with our what is red, green, and blue, which one was the most. So tonight you're going to work on what is area. This is lesson 2.1. Our learning goal here is for us to create shapes and find areas. Our learning targets for today are to find the area of a figure that is composed of other shapes. And you'll know how to find area of a figure by decomposing it and rearranging the parts. And finally, you'll know what it means for two figures to have the same area. With this assignment, what you are going to do is you're going to recall that the term area tells us something about the number of squares inside a two-dimensional shape. Remember today we talked about what one-dimensional means, we talked about what two-dimensional means, and we talked about what three-dimensional means. And here on this document that you see in front of you, we're talking about two-dimensional shapes. Now, there are 4 drawings, A, B, C, and D, and what each drawing has, it shows squares inside a shape. I want you to select all drawings whose squares could be used to find the area of the shape. And you're going to be prepared to explain your reasoning. That's going to be your question at the end of this assignment. Remember that when you're answering questions, that your answers need to be in complete sentences, and I need at least 2 to 3 sentences for your answers. And finally, for question number 2, you're going to write a definition of area that includes all the information that you think is important. You guys can do great on this, and I look forward to reading your answers.